I remember this episode I had when I was like in my earlier teens, I think. Yeah, in Slidell, I was thinking, I don't believe in having like vegetables all mixed together, like in a soup or as a dish. I'm having them all separate. That's how my parents served them. But with the dawn of the microwave and leaving home when my parents died, now I always put it in a cup, and I don't really have time because I'm always up cooking, getting used to this, catching up, regaining strength. I mean, I do go on the internet. Um, so, I mean, I have to put grain rice in it. So, that makes sense. I have to, and the spices, so I put the stuff in it. Also, a little butter and oil, but not much. And you can see the bubbles even. It's weird. Like maybe less than a teaspoon would show up. I don't know, or maybe it's a teaspoon. So I put a little chicken in each time. I guess I don't have money for real fish. I like to have fresh meat, so pretty much. The other thing would be like pork or beef. I guess I should try pork. Be a nice variety. So I didn't like the mixed vegetables, but my parents stopped serving like the lima beans and all that. Each meal, corn, broccoli. Like it seemed like every night, unless it was like something special. So they stopped when we moved to Slidell, but this is working out with time. So I have the spices in there, but I don't eat all the liquid. I'm sure it'd be tasty too anyway, but I mean, I go online, but I don't know what I'm gonna do. But I don't even eat breakfast or sandwiches. I might get a DoorDash if I figure something out, but I always have a cup of usually grain rice, and now sometimes it's basmati if I had too much of something weird. I don't know. Like I tried Coscus and some pasta, but not a whole lot of pasta really. Kind of a tiny bit, but more than a really tiny bit in a way. But so the basmati brown rice is like leaner than the regular brown rice, so it's like I don't have much, but I just use it to get it down faster, I guess. And it's working out okay. I had it like 3 times in a row now, though. I really like the regular brown rice. So every time I eat, it's a few vegetables, and I'm trying to remember put the leaves in now, and maybe get more, and chicken, vegetables, brown rice, leaves, spices, oil, butter, and lemon juice that I'm using. I don't have all the spices I want. I have Italian spice. I think it has a lot of things in it. It didn't seem like there's anything like spaghetti though, especially like there wouldn't be in other things. So, but I can't even warm it up now because there's like big hard pieces that get stiff in the microwave and hurt going down my throat. So every time I cook, I have to get a cup. Like no breakfast or sandwiches so far, but like no like breakfast for sure, and not lunch regularly or twice. So it's I mean I could, but I just can't keep up every day like that. So every time I eat, it's a cup of brown rice, vegetables, chicken, spices, leaves, and then butter, oil, and I have lemon juice. That's like every time. I do have potatoes before to make mashed potatoes. Like sometimes I just make a little. I do eat other things. Oh no, I do eat other things, but I put them in on purpose to add flavor to the day. Have this vegetable drink, protein drink, vitamin C drink anytime. I'm a big vitamin person. I always need that stuff. Like calcium when I did ballet, like I really needed it. I had vitamin C, so every meal other than inserting like a little macaroni and cheese microwavable, like at least once a day, a granola bar at least once or twice. I mean, I have that. I don't have lunch and breakfast, so I have to put in something like macaroni and cheese or the fudge granola bars, Sunbelt, which is kind of natural but not exactly, I guess, but better than a lot of others maybe. That has more chocolate. I don't know. It tastes kind of weird though. So I insert macaroni and cheese, like 2 chocolate covered granola bars at least a day. But every other thing, like other than these so-called snacks I need for calories and metabolism, which the Tasty Food does, it's always this cup of brown rice, a few kinds of vegetables, but not even just a little. Wait, bye for now.